why do we have any pieces at all? And evidently we do. We're here talking about having edge pieces or any pieces. And then I guess the edge pieces, in their nature of being edge pieces, are what we might call a necessary existence, as something that necessarily exists for the contingent things that also exist.
Yeah, one way of thinking about that is as kind of things that are self-sufficient, so that don't rely on anything other than themselves to be what they are. Or also, and this is a formulation that I'm quite fond of, there's something that cannot be other than what it is, you know. So an analytic truth like 2 + 2 = 4 gives us a sense of what it is, although that's probably not in itself a foundational sort of necessity. But what makes that true, 2 + 2 = 4? Well, it's true by definition. You know, if you were to change the pieces, then it wouldn't be what it is anymore. So just the very nature of it means that it can't possibly be false. It can never be other than what it is. It's in a kind of like a static identity or something.
Right. And these kind of necessary a priori truths, they have other properties as well, like they're tautological. If you think about 2 + 2 = 4, for example, the 4 is just 1 + 1 + 1 + 1, and the 2 is just 1 + 1, and the 2 + 2 is 1 + 1 + 1 + 1. So it's all kind of re-expressing the same things in different ways. And the equal sign, again, is kind of like the necessary link between two things. Like you said, it's kind of like a general form as opposed to that particular tautological truth being the outer piece. But there's something necessarily relatable between the outer piece and the inner pieces that make that link the same. So that the necessary existence of an outer piece will give a shape to the inner pieces. It's much easier to then figure out where the inner pieces go because you've got that shape.